Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you're not, I'm Kimberly and I am stoked you're here today. Today we are talking immune support via smoothies. I'm going to show you 3 recipes for smoothies, each designed with unique immune boosting ingredients. So let's get started. So I hope you all are staying healthy and well. And remember, it's always a good time to support your immune system. So I hope that these recipes add value and some flavor to your everyday immune boosting routine. All right, if you're liking what I'm sharing, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate the support. I don't want you to miss any of our updates or our content. So until next time, keep growing. Bye.